Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are all doing great. Today in this video, let's see how to make matar paratha. To jar, add green peas which are known as matar. To the same jar, add 5 to 6 green chilies. Add ginger garlic paste, or you can directly add ginger separate and garlic separate. Grind it till it became fine paste. Take a pan and let it heat. Once the pan heats up, add little oil in a pan. Once oil heats up, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Let them splatter. Add curry leaves and let them splatter. To the oil, add green chili and matar paste and let them cook for 5 minutes. Add salt as per your taste. I am adding 1 tablespoon of salt and mix well. Add 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala and mix well. Add chopped coriander leaves and mix. Cover the lid and cook for few minutes until the mixture is well combined and slightly dry. Open the lid and check whether the mixture is dry. Turn off the flame and let it cool. Let's see the preparation of dough. In a large bowl, take whole wheat flour. Add water gradually and knead to form a soft dough. Add a tablespoon of oil and knead again until smooth. Cover the dough and let it rest for about 20 to 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, open the lid and knead the dough again for 5 minutes. Let's assemble the parathas. Divide the dough into equal sized balls. Roll out each ball into a small circle. Place a spoonful of the filling in the center of the circle. Bring the edges together to seal the filling inside and form a ball again. Coat the ball with dry flour and gently roll out the filled ball into a flat paratha, being careful not to let the filling spill out. Heat a tawa on medium heat. Place the rolled paratha on the hot tawa. Cook for a minute or until you see the bubbles forming on the surface. Flip the paratha using spatula and let it cook on the other side. Apply little oil or ghee on the cooked side of the paratha. Flip again and apply oil or ghee on the other side. Cook until both sides are golden brown and crispy by flipping it occasionally. Serve hot with yogurt, pickle or any curry of your choice. Enjoy your delicious Matar paratha. If you like the recipe, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel guys. Try it and let me know in the comment section. Have a great day. Bye bye.